Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to unlock just digit 4G running latest firmware version. I'm going to show you that it's for real the latest firmware version. As you can see, iOS 2522, and if I go with the software update, I wait a second for the phone to connect to Wi-Fi. So you can see it's the latest firmware version. We already have installed the 210202v9 firmware. As you already know, if you are going to use old software versions to unlock Kit or other programs, once you unlock the phone, you are going to get your phone has been cracked message, and the phone is going to restart. So us at FuriouSGOLD, we developed a way to unlock this firmware version, and all this without using any tricks, any downgrades, or any other crazy stuff. Everything is very fast and clean also. So for the start, I'm going to show you what happens when we unlock this firmware version with an older version of our tool. And after that, I'm going to show you how to unlock it using the new version of our tool, which is going to fix permanently the unlock issue with this firmware version. So let's power off the device. And now we're going on the FuriouSmart older software version. We select the model, digit 4G. We check remove SIM lock, press connect, choose yes, add the new unlock method, and now we connect the device having 0 key pressed, or you can also press the middle center key, and we connect the USB cable, and if everything is okay, the phone gets unlocked. Now let's power it on. And let's see what is going to happen. So now the phone is powering on. And let's see. So we get full signal, we get the Vodafone Romania text. So let's wait a little and see. As you can see, you get this message: your phone has been cracked, and boom, it's off. So that's the thing I was mentioning earlier. So now let's return to the screen, and let's start the latest version of FuriouSmart software from FuriouSGOLD box. And let's unlock the phone with this version. So we select again remove SIM lock, we press connect, we choose yes and the new unlock method. So let's connect our device. phone gets detected again. Process starts. It performs an additional step for the unlock. So 2 seconds, the phone got unlocked. Now let's check if we still have that your phone has been cracked problem. You have to wait a little. Okay, we have Vodafone Romania. We have full signal. Now let's wait and see if the message still comes. As you can see, no more message. The phone is not going to power off or reset anymore. Let me show you that we didn't use any trick. It's still the same firmware version in this phone. So everything works on it perfectly. You can still update it and there won't be any more problems. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.